we're gonna make some tilapia fish. I might fry it up, and I'm also gonna do some basmati basmati white rice, and then yeah, so let's get right into it. Get y'all chef hats. We gonna cook today. Okay, chef? Okay, let's get to it. So we're gonna start with the rice first. And I am going to just get 2 cups of rice, wash it, and y'all gonna see how I make it. And then we're gonna start on the tilapia last. I always put a little extra just for good luck, because when you're washing your rice, a lot of the time some of the grains just fall down into the sink, so a little good luck sprinkle. I'm going to be cooking 2 cups of rice. For every 1 cup of rice, there's 2 cups of water. So I am just going to grab 2 of these water bottles, because 1 water bottle equals 2 cups pretty much. There's the 2nd cup, and as y'all can see, it's right on a 1 cup mark. I think the first one was a little bit over, but just 4 cups of water total. So I'm just gonna let that get up to a boil, and now what we're gonna do is wash our rice. It's a lot of starch in rice. That's why I like to wash it, make sure, you know, I'm getting a lot of starch out. And sometimes there's bugs in rice as well. So washing your rice is very necessary, for me at least. I got this bowl from Shein. It's like a rice washing bowl or a veggie bowl or whatever. It's like a strainer slash bowl, and I love it. I love it so much. Now my rice is washed. I like to wash my rice until the water runs clear. I'm just gonna go ahead and take some avocado oil and put it right in. I don't normally measure, but I would say it's like a tablespoon. Next, I'm gonna add in some sea salt. Now we're gonna get our rice in. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and give it a good stir. Whenever I cook rice, I always add in bay leaves. So I'm gonna give it about 2, no, actually I'm gonna do 3 bay leaves. Since they're pretty small, I'm gonna do like 3. But if they were bigger bay leaves, I'll usually do like 2. Just giving it a nice mix. I just put it on low, which is about 1 for this type of stove. And then I'm gonna take my lid for my pot and put some foil down first, and then a lid on top. I'm gonna let it cook like this for exactly 30 minutes. I'm not gonna touch it. I'm not gonna look at it. I'm not gonna breathe on it. I'm just gonna let it be for 30 minutes.
A few minutes later.
The timer just went off for the rice, so now we're gonna check it. And it looks so good and fluffy. this is my green spice mix. It's very popular in like Caribbean cultures. You pretty much make like a Epis. You blend up a lot of greens and vegetables. Well, not a lot, but quite a few of them, and you make your own base. And this is what I'm going to be putting on my fish before I actually dip it into the flour and fry it. Why are you up there, Nipsey? I have this currently heating up to 375 degrees, and I did fill it up with some corn oil previously. Once it gets to the right temperature, we're gonna drop our fish in, and afterwards we're gonna season our fish. Soon as it comes out, I'm gonna hit it with some garlic salt, and then I'm also gonna be using some parsley. For now, I'm gonna take a plate and just place some paper towels so when the fish comes out, I can set it right on top. The green light just came on, so let's put our fish in.